Come on. It's 10:30, so we can start. So, Sparsh, please tell me how many chapters are coming in geography
Three.
and chapters also.
Population, migration, and urbanization.
Yatharth, you're always there. Okay. So, listen carefully now. So, we are going to start from the subjectives. For the subjective exam, you have to get prepare all the worksheet that I have given you. Okay, question answers from the worksheets only. Subjective is coming from worksheet. It's clear. Okay, because I haven't made to write down the question answers which is given on the back of the book. But I'm giving you long worksheets, and the worksheets are covering each and every topic and point of the chapter. So subjective is coming from worksheet. Now comes MCQs. MCQs are coming from all the exercises, rest of the exercises. If you will leave with question answers, exercises, and at the last of the book, chapter, not book, points to remembers are there, and important terms, especially important terms. Okay?
Yes,
So,
ma'am.
all the exercises and important terms. Some questions are coming from the between of the chapter, but they are in syllabus. जरूरी नहीं है कि जो पॉइंट इंपॉर्टेंट टर्म्स में हो, एक्सरसाइजेस में हो, वही क्वेश्चन एमसीक्यूज में है. Okay, so some questions are coming from the between of the chapter. So that you have to prepare nicely. Clear? So now I'm going to revise chapters one by one. And if you have any query, if you have any problem, please ask me. Okay? So starting from the second chapter, population, because first chapter is not coming. Second chapter, population. Okay. Mr. Desh.
मैम आप पूछेंगी ना?
मैं पूछूंगी नहीं, मैं बताऊंगी आज. एक बार मैं फिर से चैप्टर्स को रिवाइज कर दूंगी. सेम थिंग आई हैव डिड विद.
क्वेश्चन भी पूछिएगा.
ओके, if I will have time then I will ask. वैसे मैं पूछ चुकी हूँ, इसलिए कोई इश्यू नहीं है. ओके, फर्स्ट चैप्टर इज पॉपुलेशन. ओके, in this chapter you have to study distribution of population in the world. Distribution of population in the different part of the world, and it is given on page number 27. The map is there, and even on page number 26 a table is also there. Okay, population in millions. China 1388 YV student, is this Apurv?
यथार्थ वर्मा.
यथार्थ वर्मा. सही में तुम स्टूडेंट क्यों हो यथार्थ? That's why you have written YV students. Okay, so China 1388.2 millions, India 1342.5 millions. So all the population is given there in this table. Okay, of the world. So get prepared the number of people living in a particular country and the area also. Okay. Second is meaning of overpopulation and the name of the countries. Actually only two countries are there, and both of the countries are overpopulated. Can you please tell me the name of those countries?
Yes, I'm telling.
Sparsh, are you saying something? I am not able to hear you. Yes, Sachit? Speak up, Sachit. Not audible. Yatharth Verma, Desh, tell me the most populated country of the world. Two countries are there. Number one will be China.
China and India.
Yes, China and India are the most populated country in the world. Okay, so what you have to do? First of all, you have to learn the proper definition of overpopulation along with example of the name of the country. Okay, if you're going to write down the figure also, if you're writing the name of China, so 1388.2 million. Total population is 1388.2 million. So you will get better marks. Okay. So this one, second point is underpopulation. Underpopulation की proper definition and the area like Mexico, Russia. Okay.
Ma'am, it
These
is
are
the population lesser than the available resources can afford.
so, 1 minute के था. नीचे भेजिए इन दोनों को. Okay, yes, Yatharth, what were you saying, beta? Sorry for the disturbance. Yatharth, what were you saying, beta?
Yes, ma'am. I'm under population.
Yes, underpopulation की proper definition along with the area, the name of the country. Okay. Next is factors affecting the population of a place. So now I'm going to ask from Sachit. Sachit, am I audible, beta? Sachit? He left. He is always having connectivity problem. Yatharth Verma, if you will not answer, I will mark you absent. Yatharth Verma, if you will not answer, I will mark you absent. Not getting answer. Desh? Desh?
Yes.
Okay, tell me at least 2-3 factors of population density. Why the population increases? Tell me the factors.
Ma'am, distribution of minerals.
Okay.
Development of industry.
बार बार यही होता है क्लास 8 के, मुझे यथार्थ से ही आंसर मिलते हैं. Yes, Yatharth, please discuss more factors related to population density. ऐसे कैसे होगा बेटा? आई एम नॉट गेटिंग द प्रॉपर रिप्लाई. Okay, so you have to learn the factors that those are affecting the population of a place. Next is the analysis, the impact of over and under population. एक analysis भी आपको उसका पढ़ना होगा. It is given in the book. Okay, and in the PPT also, everything is given in the PPT also, or the notes whichever I have sent. Next is factors affecting the population of a place. Birth rate, death rate, immigration and emigration. You have to learn the proper definition of birth rate, death rate, immigration and emigration. And I can also ask the difference between all these things. Next is the composition of population, the pyramid one. Age and sex, rural and urban population pyramid. All these things you have to prepare. Okay. Along with the diagram of the population pyramid. Clear? Next is migration. Next chapter is. In this you have to learn the definition of migration and emigration. Because I can ask the single or the migration and immigration का difference भी मैं पूछ सकती हूँ. Okay, types of migration, immigration. Types of migration and immigration. दोनों पढ़ना है आपको. Then rural and urban migration जो होता है आपका. Rural to urban and urban to urban migration. Okay, with examples. And you can have to give the example of the world, across the world. Okay. Explain reasons for migration from to any area. एक जगह से दूसरी जगह पे लोग migrate क्यों होते हैं? You have to tell the reasons. You have to analyze the migration of any area. किसी भी area के migration को analyze करने के लिए भी मैं दे सकती हूँ कि why the migration is happening there. Okay. And you have to know about the places where lots of migration took place. Okay, lots of migration and emigration took place. Impact of migration on socio-economic structure of the society with the example of the India and the world. And important point is brain drain. Its introduction, its causes, positive and negative impact of brain drain. Okay, please learn the definition of brain drain properly.
Okay.
Okay. Next is urbanization chapter number 4. Meaning and causes of urbanization, positive and negative impact of urbanization, satellite city and smart city, and difference between satellite city and smart city. Okay. And also the name of the satellite cities and smart cities. Like Hyderabad is popular as high-tech city, not a smart city or satellite city. So you have to learn all these things nicely. Okay. I'm going to ask question from Yatharth Verma. Are you able to hear me? Am I audible? क्या फायदा हो रहा है क्लास ज्वाइन करके? If Yatharth is not giving me the answer. Sachit beta.
Yes,
Sachit,
ma'am.
please. हाँ बेटा. The question is from you. Okay, Sachit. Listen carefully. Which type of population is shown in a bell-shaped population pyramid?
Constant
Options are. Sorry?
Constant population.
Very good, Sachit. Very nice. Sparsh, am I audible, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Next question is from you. Okay. Wait a minute. One of the advantages of the migrants' home country is number 1. फिर से मैं क्वेश्चन रिपीट करती हूँ. One of the advantages of the migrants' home country is number 1, loss of skilled labor. Number 2, increased foreign exchange. Number 3, fall in demand of certain goods and services. Number 4, political uncertainty. Political uncertainty.
Yes, ma'am. Increase foreign exchange.
Yes, good. Next question is from Yatharth, because he is waiting for the question, I know. Yatharth, am I audible, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. These cities are smaller.
Satellite cities.
क्वेश्चन तो बोला था नहीं दिया करो बेटा. Good, very nice. Okay. So just wait a minute. I'll ask more questions now. Oh. Next question is from Sachit. Sachit, ma'am. Question is, earthquakes also trigger landslide, avalanches, tsunami, all of them. Which option? Very good, Sachit. Very nice. Sparsh,
Yes, ma'am.
next question is from you. Which of these is an adverse effect of population? Environmental degradation, poverty, unemployment, all of these. Sparsh, come on, give the answer.
Yes, ma'am. All of these.
Very good.
मीटिंग कर रहा है.
Very nice. Desh, am I audible, beta?
Yes, ma'am. अभी बोला था.
That's why. Desh,
घोड़ा दौड़ाओ.
Yes, ma'am.
okay, Desh. Next question is from you. Shifting of people from rural area to cities. Shifting of people from rural area to cities is ruralization, urbanization, pull factor, push factor.
Can you repeat
Rural-
that?
Shifting of people from rural area to cities is ruralization, urbanization, pull factor, push factor.
Full fact.
No.
मैम आप आंसर में बताइएगा.
Okay, no. Sparsh,
Yes, ma'am. Can you repeat the question?
okay, I'm repeating. Shifting of people from rural area to cities is ruralization, urbanization, pull factor, push factor. रूरल एरिया से सिटी की तरफ लोगों का मूवमेंट क्या कहलाता है?
Urbanization.
Yes, very good. Very nice. Next question is from Yatharth. Factors responsible for brain drain. Pull, push, both are correct. Only one is correct.
Both.
Yes, both are correct. Okay. Next question is from Sachit.
यथार्थ.
Sachit?
No.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Sachit, listen the question carefully. Migrants can be internal, external, both are wrong, both are correct.
Both are correct.
Very good, Sachit. Very nice. Desh. Am I audible, Desh? Next question is from you. The movement of people from one place or country to another is known as emigrant, repression, migration, primitive migration.
Migration.
Good, very nice. It's migration. Okay. Chapter number 5 is also coming, na?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, next question from chapter number 5 is Sparsh.
Yes,
मैम
ma'am.
कल बता चुका है मैम, मेरी चांस है बताने की.
Okay, Yatharth, next question is from you. Chemicals from dash kill marine life and coral reefs and also affect birds and mammals.
Ships.
Chemicals from dash kill marine life and coral reefs and also affect birds and mammals. Cyclones, drought, earthquake, oil spill.
Oil spills.
Very good. Who is saying hello, hello?
मम्मी.
अरे आप यथार्थ यादव आ गए. अरे वर्मा
नो
जी.
मैम. यस मैम.
वर्मा जी कहाँ थे? किधर से वर्मा जी आप?
Ma'am, there
No
was a
one will speak. Now I'm going to ask continuously question from him. Okay? यथार्थ तुम अपने ऊपर काबू रखना, बोलोगे नहीं. Wait a minute. Yes, Mr. Verma.
Yes, ma'am.
First question is from you.
Yes, ma'am.
The dash of the earth plate caused the earthquake in Nepal in April 2015. Collision, movement, vibration, none of these.
Can you speak the question again?
I will repeat the question again. The dash of the earth plate caused the earthquake in Nepal in April 2015. Collision,
Yes, ma'am.
movement, vibration, none of these.
None of
Options are-
these.
वो तो
Ma'am, should I?
यथार्थ।
Ma'am, it is wrong.
Okay, Yatharth Yadav, give the answer to Yatharth Verma.
Sorry, ma'am, vibration.
Collision. No, collision of tectonic plates.
Yes. Next question is again from Verma ji. Okay.
Yeah.
God, lots of sound is coming. Okay, Verma ji. Next question is from you. Listen carefully. Nuclear disaster attack carried out on Hiroshima and Nagasaki by the United States during World War II was planned and intentionally, accidentally, none of these.
Ma'am, can you repeat the options again?
I will repeat the question again along with the options.
Yes.
Nuclear disaster attack carried out on Hiroshima and Nagasaki by the United States during World War II was planned intentionally, accidentally. Very
Intentionally.
good. Clapping for you, Verma ji. One more question from you.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. थोड़ा देना वर्मा जी, बहुत पिटाई करूंगी मैं तुम्हारी. Okay. Next question. A sum of money that is sent to somebody in order to pay for something. A sum of chup Yatharth. A sum of money that is sent to somebody in order to pay for something. Cash, cost, rate, remittance.
Cash.
मैम मुझे बताने दीजिए.
Sparsh, give the answer.
I'm sorry.
Yes, ma'am. Remittance.
Remittance. वर्मा जी पढ़ लीजिए.
Yes, ma'am.
नहीं तो आपका कुछ होने वाला नहीं है. आ रहा है समझ में?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes ma'am कहते हो, पढ़ते लिखते हो नहीं? I will beat you whenever the school will open. Okay. Now I'm going to ask some questions, long questions that you have to give the proper answer. Sachit, am I audible, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
The question is from you. You have to explain it. Okay. Case study of earthquake of Nepal 2015. Earthquake of Nepal 2015 का मुझे causes बताओ.
He left.
Okay, Sparsh,
Yes, ma'am.
tell me the causes of earthquake 2015 in Nepal. Come on. Come on. Sparsh, am I audible, बेटा?
Yes, ma'am.
तो बेटा बताओ अर्थक्वेक क्यों आया था नेपाल में 2015 में? अभी एक कॉज हमने उसका डिस्कस किया था ऑप्शनल क्वेश्चन में.
मैम मैं बता दूं.
Shifting of tectonic plates.
Shifting of tectonic plates, and what was the movement?
Collision of tectonic plates.
Yes, collision. Shifting is also good, right? क्योंकि collision का मतलब क्या होता है? वो movement ही होता है, एक जगह से दूसरी जगह पे shift होना होता है. And according to the report of 2015, the epicenter have shifted 10 degrees towards east. Okay, so these all causes happened. Okay, next
And
is
when the Nepal being an earthquake prone area is one of the causes.
Actually, Nepal is on the Himalayan plate. Nepal is situated
Yes,
on the
ma'am.
Himalayan plate, and Himalayan
Himalayan
plates are
plate.
always moving. I will also share one fact about Himalayans, that the height of Himalaya is increasing, the Mount Everest especially. बहुत माइन्यूट इंक्रीज होती है, लेकिन इंक्रीज हुई है, हाइट इंक्रीज हुई है हिमालय की. Okay, these all things happen just because of the movement of the tectonic plates, and these movements are really very slow. That's why it took lakhs of years to get change. Okay. Next question is from Desh. Desh, unmute yourself. Okay. Tell me the effect of the earthquake of 2015. क्या असर हुआ था उसका, हुआ क्या था? क्या टर्न कर रहे हो पेज वेज? देश, कम ऑन, गिव द आंसर. Am I audible, देश?
Yes, ma'am.
तो गिव द आंसर बेटा, जल्दी से बताओ क्या होता है earthquake आने के बाद?
I eat lots of grass. मैं बहुत ढेर सारी घास खाता हूँ. I look like horse. मैं घोड़े के जैसा दिखता हूँ. I have black and white strips. मेरे बदन से black and white strips होती हैं. I am कौन सा गाना है?
Ma'am, should I tell?
Yes, Yatharth, tell.
Ma'am, just 1 minute. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the effect of Nepal 2015 earthquake was that the deaths of nearly 6,000 people and injuries of more than 1 lakh people, and a damage to a property of more than 1 crore.
Yes, it will damage lots of things. Okay. Yatharth Verma, am I audible, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you please tell me the impact of the earthquake in Nepal 2015 on the people? Impact on the people. सचित, एकदम पढ़ा नहीं है देश और यथार्थ वर्मा ने. लो, वो तो उनका नाम लेते ही गायब हो जाते हैं. ओके, शर्मा जी, स्पर्श शर्मा. Sparsh
Yes,
Sharma,
ma'am.
come on, please tell me the impact of the earthquake of 2015 in Nepal. नहीं आता तो बता दो बेटा. Yes,
Ma'am,
Yatharth.
should I tell?
Yes, beta, tell.
Ma'am, it nearly killed 6,000 people and many more were injured, and it caused a significant damage to the area of agriculture, a mass area of agriculture, area of land
Ma'am,
of
it kills
agriculture.
Yes. Okay. Next question is from Sparsh.
नहीं मैम, ये तो पास वाला क्वेश्चन था मैम, मेरा होगा.
रुक जाओ. Sparsh, please tell me the 2 causes of overpopulation. 2 causes which are responsible for overpopulation. Unmute yourself and give the answer, Sparsh.
तो मतलब ये बड़ा है, ये छोटा है, और अगर ऐसा निशान लगा है तो मतलब दोनों बराबर.
फर्स्ट वाज कनेक्टिविटी प्रॉब्लम है मैम, मैं कर दूं?
अरे तुम तो हमेशा तैयार रहते हो. देश, देश,
मैम इतना आसान है, एक बताओ, उसका उल्टा बता दो.
1 minute. देश बताओ बेटा, causes बताओ ओवर पॉपुलेशन के.
कौन सा ज्यादा हुआ?
Causes
Ma'am,
of
lack of
over population.
Ma'am, lack of water.
कौन सा ग्रेटर देन?
Causes पूछ रही हूँ, अफेक्ट नहीं पूछ रही हूँ.
Okay, ma'am.
Causes, वजह क्या होती है ओवर पॉपुलेशन की?
ग्रेटर देन दिस. ये ज्यादा है.
मैम शुड आई टेल? ये लोग नहीं बता पा रहे.
देश बताओ. अच्छे,
Yes, sir. Job.
लो सचिन का तो हम नाम ही नहीं ले ऐसा ही ठीक है।
सचिन डर जाता है नाम लेने पे।
नहीं 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 उसको कनेक्टिविटी प्रॉब्लम है, आई नो दैट, एंड ही इज गिविंग द आंसर्स व्हेन ही वाज देयर। सचिन बेटा, देश गिव द आंसर, आई विल बीट यू नाउ।
ये उल्टा निशान बन गया ग्रेटर देन
सर पढ़ने पर अट रहा है।
Okay, listen, class 8. I have told all the important points to all of you. Now go and study. Because I don't think कि मैं parva question पूछ रही हूँ, only Yatharth is giving the answers.
मैं बता
Just go and study, and if you want to ask any topic, any point related to the chapters which are coming in UT1, you can give me a personal message. Ma'am, please explain this. Ma'am, what is this? Like this. Class 10th was asking me yesterday. और मैंने रात तक सबको आंसर्स दिए हैं। आ रहा है समझ में? तो प्लीज इफ देयर इज एनी क्वेरी, एनी क्वेश्चन आस्क मी, आई विल गिव द आंसर। ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट।
आंसर बताऊं मैं?
बता दो।
मैम इंक्रीज इन बर्थ रेट, डिक्रीज इन डेथ रेट।
Simple. Okay. Please ask the point, whatever you want to ask. If there is any confusion, chapters are very easy. Learn it nicely, or just read it from the book. Na, so you will able to answer the question, and you can go through the PPT again. Okay. All the very best for the exam. Be present and be punctual. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Goodbye. Please go and study.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.